Oh no, bro. This is not good. This is not good. Hey guys, welcome back to another day of Subnautica. Today we are going to see if we can get the Cyclops. It will be very hard, but we will try. So I'm going to make this. So I'm going to need titanium, magnetite, and a computer chip. Let's go and see if we have more magnetite. None in there. None in there. None in there. None in there. Those are all empty. And this one, empty. Empty, empty, empty. Alright, let's go and get some more magnetite. Hopefully we can just get in and out. Oh, wrong button. Oh crap, I hate this. Honestly, let's go. Boom, we're good. That easy. All right. Titanium computer chip. So how do you make a computer chip? Gold, copper wire, and table core sample. So we need gold. I believe I have gold. Yep, I got gold, 1 copper, and titanium. What else do we need? So we need to make that, and also table. So we need 1 more copper and 2 table coral sample. 2 table coral samples. All right, let's go and get it.
Seek fluid intake.
Boom. Yeah, we just need 1 copper. Oh my gosh. chill it, dude. Oh, I can push that. Yes. All right, we're good. Why am I here?
Take immediately.
Well, that tilted. Why is my knife? That's weird.
Vital signs stabilizing.
Get out of my base. Well, that's pleasant. Now everywhere we go, every time we exit, whoa. Every time we exit, we're gonna see a dead fish, and it's just gonna, that's weird. Boom. And it's gonna make this gun thing, I think it is. The alien, I forget what it's called. Battery. Oh, we don't have another copper, so, which means, stasis rifle.
Motivational note. Craig McGill crash landed in the acid swamps at Boreal 9. Fought off arachnid kidney poachers.
Whoa.
And hijacked a Tabe Star War.
Alright, let's hit this dude with it.
You can survive one more.
Oh. Oh, what? What? Just killed me. It didn't show that I was taking damage. Legit, what did I lose? I'm guessing like I lost nothing. Where's that dude? Over here. So, I don't think I lost anything. Bro, that's weird. This seems cool. Alright. So we will definitely be taking that places. So now, let's pretty much, I'm gonna sleep in today. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Well guys, we are now gonna have to go to the Aurora, which honestly, I do not want to go, so, but guess we're gonna go. Well, I'm back, and today we are gonna go deep, bro. So we have to get prepared for that. So the thing is, I'm gonna need a lot of salt. And best way to find salt is going over. Here. Definitely salt here. Just in case. And it's gonna get a sea moth from its head. So we're gonna go to the Grand Reef, which I think that's what it's called. We've never been there before, but that's why. Oh.
All systems online.
All right, let's go over here. All right, we're here. Oh, come on. It has to be night now? Let's just wait till it becomes day. It's scary though. Everyone, I'm not part of the family anymore. Gosh, bro, I wanna whatever. Come on. Oh. 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 And it's day. Let's go straight down. Smart one. Oh crap. Oh crap, dude. Alright, we're here. I do not feel safe here. Wait, what is this place? I'm gonna research it. Let's just send it. That's a weird thingamabob. Heck no, bro. No, I'm not going near this thing. I'm staying safe on this little mountain. Heck no. Bro, I'm not going deeper than this. I came here for rubies, and that's it. Just rubies. Oh no, bro. This is not good. This is not good. What's that? More rubies? Oh, yep. I need 4. I got 2. Alright. Oh, that does not work. Come on. Yes. Alright. Swim. Where am I going? Over here, I guess. Whoa, whoa, back up. Back up. Chill, dude. Do you have like a home over here, bro? Let's follow this guy. He's going somewhere. Right, home? Oh, dude, chill it. Back up, back up. Whoa. Now, I never knew fish could swim sideways. Let's just get out here. I need one of those. That's all I needed. Alright, just make sure I'm recording. Boom! Mostly why we got rubies is for this. So now if you put this in, 900. Oh my gosh, you can go so deep. Alright, so I believe that I have something about data downloads, alien data, terminal data. Nope. Scan data, artifacts, nope. This terminal. Codes includes alien, yeah, here. Depth 800 meters. Location cave sample of a 10th fossil record southwest. Operation logs. I have this.
Average long-range transmission delay, 8 hours. Opening last recorded transmissions.
This is an emergency distress call. Aurora is on collision course with planet 4546b. Sending all available environmental data. Please respond with rescue solution. Out.
This is Altera HQ. Attached to this message, you should find the blueprints for an escape ship that we calculate will be capable of breaking orbit and getting you back to the nearest phase gate. Now, it's designed to use materials you can find in situ, but it's gonna need one hell of a power source. Now, we'll be sure to...
Aurora long-range communications really offline.
Well, guys, I think I will have to end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please smack that like button and that subscribe button. And I just want to thank you guys for 200 subscribers, which I hit a little bit ago. So, and just how we always end off the videos. Good. Wait a minute, I forgot about one thing that I had. Bam, check that out. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Peace.
Hey!